Everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this popping and blur effects for your videos in CapCut. So you just need to add video effects and also animations to your clips. The first effect that you need to add is the halo blur effect. Click on the opening and closing and select the halo blur. So adjust the blur to your liking, the speed and also the intensity. I'm going to go with 70. Then make the effect short and put it at the beginning of each clip. Copy it and put it for the next clips. Okay, the second effect that you need to add is the blur effect. So go to video effect and click on the lens and find blur. Okay, make the blur effect a little bit longer than the halo blur, like this, and copy it for the next clip. Okay, now the animations. So you need to click on the clips, go to animation, click on combo and find the popping candy animations. Adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 0.4 seconds and apply it to all of the clips. And after that, you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Here is the result, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.